Good morning students. In previous class we discussed about the data type. So here in basic we have four data type: int, float, double, char, and now we will move on the modifiers. And what are the modifiers? The modifiers define the amount of storage allocated to the variable. There are four data modifiers in the C language. Okay, so when we talk about range of variable data type, for example we need only space of 2 byte, okay, and defined as a 4 byte container. Okay, so 2 byte storage uh, unnecessary occupied in computers, so that's why we are using modifiers. You can see here assigned, signed. So this keyword accept both negative or positive values, and this default property or data type modifiers for every data type. So when we need in program both, if we need randomly negative number, randomly positive number, so we can use signed. Okay, and now we are talking about the unsigned. So this keyword can be used to make accepting values of data type is positive data types. Okay, so here we can use only positive data type. For example, we use variable as unassigned, so you can use positive values. So this is about unassigned. And now we will move on sort. It is used to modify data to take less memory. If we talk about long, it is used to define a data type with increased storage space. For example, we need sort memory, so less memory, you can use sort. Okay, and for example you can take real world example. We have home and lots of rooms are available. So when we can talk about home, so we can arrange as per our requirement. Okay, so unnecessary rooms occupied unnecessary space, so that's why you can create short and long in computer. So in computer lots of memory can store, and all the storage have on its or computers value. Okay, so that's why we are using these things, and some valid combinations are available. You can see type char have storage size 1 byte, and byte is the unit of computer memory. Okay, and range is this minus 1 128 to 127, or 0 to 255. And unsigned char 1 byte, 0 to 255, and int 2 or 4 byte. So you can use sort for 2 or 4, so you can arrange as per your requirement. So these are the storage size and value range. So learn these range according to values. Okay, so here keywords in C. So lots of keywords are available, and how many? 32 keywords in C. For example, we talk about normal English language, lots of words and its meanings are available for that. So here if we talk about C language, so C language have some 32 keywords which have specific value. For example, we talk about break statement have break keyword is also have some rule for break the statement, and register switch the statement in programming. For looping, if we need to repeat the process, so we can use for. Go to, if you jump to one step to fifth step or 10 steps, so you can use go to. If for condition, if you need to go for the condition, so we can use if keywords. Int for the declaration of data type, we can declare the data and assign the as per variables requirement. Okay, value. So this is about keywords, and 32 keywords are available in C, and some of them description available for this. So go to it's used to take the control to required place in for already explained, while do all are using in looping, break, enum and type def. So these are the keywords. And this is the first C program. First lesson instruction in a C program is written as a separate statement. So in C programming, lots of statements are available, and all steps have particular task. Okay, so blank spaces may be inserted between two words to improve the readability of the statement. Okay, and all statements are entered in small case letters, and every C statement must end with semicolon. So when we create, if we talk about English language, we need point. Okay, so here we use semicolon. C programming basically consists of the following parts: preprocessor commands, statements and expression, functions, comments, variables. In next video we talk about the structure of C programming. I will trying to explain structure of C programming in specific video. Okay, thank you.